Monday. I haven't ran in about a week because I rolled my ankle or did something weird on a run about a week and a half ago, so that's why I've been riding the bike. So I'm gonna go out today, see how the ankle feels. So this may be a really short run, or maybe it'll be the 3 miles I'm planning to get. It's really nice out today, so I'm hoping that I can run for a little bit, but we'll see. Obviously don't want to push it, but I got to try something. So let's get warmed up and hit the pavement. Got it. Time to get moving. Alright, that's it for the run. Got the 3 miles in without any issues on my ankle, so very happy about that. Took it easy today. Again, not trying to push it, not trying to set any land speed records. But now I'm gonna get changed and I gotta go to the post office and drop off some packages for delivery, so I gotta mask up. I haven't seen this many people at the post office in a really long time. The parking lot is absolutely full. So, taking this guy. All right, let's do this. Thanks.
Can we just send it in the mail? Yeah.
Here you go.
Why don't you go to get that? Yeah.
What the hell was that? There was a ton of people in there, and hardly anybody was wearing a mask. Hi. So I just got done with the shower and, oh, hold on just a second. There we go. That's a little better. This coronavirus it's got the hair just going every which way. Anyway, got done with a 30-minute ride. Gonna eat some lunch, hang out with the fam. I don't know what else we're gonna do today because it's raining like crazy outside, but maybe we'll clean up the playroom a little bit. That's where I am right now. Yeah, talk to you in a bit. family walk-in today. Boys riding bikes, dogs on their walk. They're back there somewhere. And now they're gonna need some baths because it rained and they had some fun in the puddles. Are you so tired? And now what's Daddy drinking?
Beer.
What color is the beer?
Black. Yeah.
Black. Everything important starts with black. Especially the beer. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.